Welcome back. So in the previous video, we added the kill feed over to the top right corner, and we also saw that thing working, but it wasn't perfect in a way. It wasn't perfect in a way that it's looking fine, but the text has to be changed to whatever the name of the player you killed is. So for now, this guy is enemy 1, and for now, this guy is also he's called enemy 2, but you kill him and it still says enemy 1. It still reads as you killed enemy 1. So we got to change that, and that's where we stopped in the previous video. So the first thing to be done is, you go over to the kill feed, and you know that from this UI widget, you want to change this. This is the txt enemy name that you have to get access to, and you have to change to whatever the name of the enemy is. Now, there are multiple ways of getting this done, but the easiest way to do this would be to add a variable here, which includes the name of this player, wherein when you add him in the level, he's gonna get a name. Okay, the designer has to manually enter the name inside the level. So let's do that. That's the easiest way, and because we just have a bunch of players, so it's not very difficult to give individual names to the players. So I'm gonna add a new variable, and I'm gonna call this character name. Okay, and instead of string, I'll make this a text. Okay, and I'll just compile it, and I'll expose it so that it can be changed inside the level during compile time. So enemy 1 can be given a name. Let me call him, let's say, Shiva. And this guy can be called John. Okay, so you have John on the left and Shiva on the right. It's as simple as that. Now, going back to enemy 1, you can either choose to save this or promote this as a variable, or you can simply use this straight away from here and not having to promote this as a variable. So you can simply say you can directly get the txt. Okay, that's the kill feed. Oh, okay, yeah, you have to go back to the kill feed and you have to make this a variable. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to access it. Now this is a variable, I suppose, so you can access the kill feed pop-up. This is not a variable, but this we have to make it a variable, and you killed is always going to be constant, so we don't need to change that, and we don't need to access that either. This has to be accessed, so I have promoted this to a variable. Compile that, save that, go back to enemy 1, and now if you look for txt enemy name, so you can either set it or you can get it. So I'll get it first. I'll get it, and then I'll directly say set it up, set text. Okay, I'll just set text here, and then I'll just connect this out here, and now the in text would be simply our character name, like that, just like that. It's as simple as that. Okay, and now this can just stay here like this, just so that there are no overlapping of wires, and they all straightened out nice and clean. Now when I hit compile, save, and let me go back and play the game. Okay, when I hit play and I get this guy down, and just keep an eye on, or let me take this guy down first. He's too close. I'll play again. Play, and I'll just shoot him. You can see I kill Shiva. Okay, and I can, now this guy is John, so I'll kill John. I'll reload. I'll have to reload. Okay, and then I'll just kill, I kill John. Okay, so you kill John. So that thing works. Very simple, and it's also looks good. It's just a nice touch to it. It's not really required. You can simply change this enemy out here. You can simply change the text for the txt enemy as enemy bot, and done with it, because they're all going to be bots. But I just wanted to show you how to get this little thing done. Why not? Just like that. Okay, so now that we have the kill feed done, the next thing to be working on is going to be the mini map, which will show up in the top left corner. We'll get on to that in the next video. Thank you.